Okay, I'm back. I did what video? I'm new at this, so I just gotta learn how to pause it and unpause it, but with this gimbal. But anywho, our dinner is ready. So we got some potatoes here, some eggs. You got some corn on the cob. Then you got my seafood sauce. I like to put this on my potatoes and corn. It's really good on the potatoes and the corn. And then I made some pan-fried wild Atlantic cod. This was my first time doing cod. So overall, it came out pretty good. And what I did was I just seasoned it with some adobo and a little bit of adobo and pink Himalayan salt because I use a seasoned flour. It's like a breader that I use. And so that's already seasoned. So I didn't want it to be too salty. So I put some canola oil in the pot because I didn't have any extra virgin olive oil. And yeah, I just let it brown for maybe like 2, 3 minutes on each side. The only thing that I was a little bothered about because it did stick to the pot, and my pan is a non-stick pan, so I'm not sure what it was. Um, Maybe I needed to dry it off. It did say that it needs to be dry. I don't know. But overall, again, it came out pretty good. I would have preferred for it to be better. This one right here kind of broke up, but the other ones was all whole. And I had a slab of it, and I just cut it into small pieces. Next time I'll try to bake it. Also, what I didn't like was this particular one had bones in it, and my husband said it shouldn't have bones in it. So I'm not sure. But anyway, this is our Father's Day dinner with my seafood sauce here. And we got our potatoes and our eggs. Y'all need to try that seafood sauce, especially over these potatoes and the eggs and the corn. It's delicious. And then after I finish this off, I just squeeze some fresh lemon juice over it. So that's it. So I hope y'all had a great Father's Day for my guys out there. Um, and yeah, hope y'all had a great weekend, and hope y'all have a great start to your week as well. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please leave your comments in the box below. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Peace.